Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go into images and type in round pattern on the search tab, and ownership, let's tick free, and then scroll down. Now this is the image I'll be using today. So once I've done that, let's go ahead and change the size. Now the size is going to be 14 by 14. Now go back into shapes and click on square. I'm using the square just to slice off a bit of the round pattern. So adjust accordingly where you want to slice off the pattern. Now I'm placing mine here and I'll click on the slice button. So once that is done, now I've got three portions here. I'm going to delete all three. Alright, I'll bring that to the side, go into shapes and click on square. I'm just going to change the size. Okay, I'm just aligning it to the part that we have cut from the round pattern. Now I'm going to change this both the pattern into score, so that's easier for me to align it. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the size of this rectangle. So you can also see here the alignment, it just makes it a bit easier. Now the size of this is going to be 1 by the height. It's going to remain the same. Now once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and change this to basic, so you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now let's go back into shapes and click on square, and again change the size of this to 14 by 14. Okay, now that's done. I'm going to align both the patterns together. Alright, so again, just to make things easier, let's change all of this to score. Right, once I'm done with that, I'm going to align the patterns. Okay, once you're happy with the alignment, you can go ahead and you can highlight the image. I'm going to change it into basic so that we can have a look at it, and then highlight again and click on weld. So once you've weld, it forms one single image. Now go back into shapes and click on square. Now this square is for the inner cut. Okay, we're going to insert an inner cut onto the main cut. So let's change the size. That's going to be 12 by 12. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to go back into images, and on the search tab I'm going to type in card, and I'm going to tick free for the ownership. Now scroll, and this is the pattern. Not pattern really, but these are the 4 edges with a slit. That's to help us with the insertion of the card. Now let's go ahead and change the size. That's going to be 12.5 by 12.5. Okay, so once that is done, let's draw a score, not draw, but I'm going to tick on a score line here. Okay, now this score line is just to show you this is this place, or this is the side where we're going to fold the card. Okay, now I do not have a scoring pen, so this is just for the purpose of showing you all where the score line, or where I'm going to fold the card. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to remove that. Now I'm going to go ahead, highlight the main card and click on attach. So yeah, that's done. So let's go ahead and make the card.